That beat is hard.
This is how it goes. Welcome one and all to the show. We're wired up, fired up, fucking ready to go.
In and out. Bikes. That's Mike. Say hi, Mike. This is our California trip. Word. What's that? Oh, probably need keys. Uh-huh. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Oh, yeah. In and out, baby.
Mistaken San Andreas, the block. Get this bitch earthquaking like, oh. Ready for it, here we go. We got the whole block rocking in stereo. We're taking control, letting everybody know. And if you feel it, let me hear everybody go. Oh, you're not ready, I got plenty cuts for 20 months drops.
Come on, nigga, I got shit. I gotta turn on that poke it out. This is Mike getting chew in Sacktown, and I'm video recording the video recording just because it's been over 11 hours deep. This is exciting, and he's signing for it. What do you have to sign for to get chew? I took like a 20-minute nap. That's nice. That's what Mike has to say here. Yeah?
Truck stink?
No? There's your spitter, dude.
Thanks, dog.
No problem, doggy. I have to show everybody how bumpy it really is. Oh, it's not bad.
Not bad yet.
I'm trying to hold it as still as possible. Let's hope they don't crash. You realize how bad it is when it's fucking on the dash.
Nice. This is a nice part of the freeway.
This is smooth. Oh,
There we go.
oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, Jesus. Okay. I already love California. Look at this stunt spot we found. That is fucking huge. It stops there. It doesn't help any.
Only took 15 hours.
Wow, those are some tall fucking buildings. And every fucking female we see is hot. I'm gonna impregnate all of Los Angeles.
I got a million ways to get it. Choose one.
Choose one. Hey,
Bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next.
hold up.
Freeze. Hey. Somebody bring me back the money, please.
Hove on that new shit. Niggas like how come? Niggas want my old shit, buy my old album. Niggas stuck on stupid, I gotta keep it moving. Niggas make the same shit, me I make the blueprint. Came in the range, hopped out the Lexus, every year since. I've been on that next shit. Traded in a gold for the platinum Rolexes. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback, ballin' on a corner. Now I rock a telesuit, looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin, I use my cojones. I move onward, the only direction. Can't be scared to fail, search of perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, even when we sexy. But don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
Somebody bring me back some money, please. I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Let's double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next.
Hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please.
Fuck the throwback jersey, cause we on to the next one. And fuck that auto-tune, cause we on. And niggas don't be mad, cause it's all about progression. Loiterers should be arrested. I used to drink Cristal, them fuckers racist. So I switched gold bottles on to that spaceship. You gon' have another drink or you just gon' babysit. On to the next one, somebody call a waitress. Baby, I'm a boss, I don't know what they do. I don't get drops, I drop the label. World can't hold me, too much ambition. Always knew it'd be like this when I was in the kitchen. Niggas in the same spot, me I'm dodging raindrop, meaning I'm on vacay, chillin' on the big yacht. Yeah, I got on flip-flops, white Louis boat shoes. Y'all should grow the fuck up, come in, let me coach you. Hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please. I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next.
Hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please.
Big pimpin' in the house now. Bought the land, tore the motherfucking house down. Bought the car, tore the motherfucking roof off. Ride clean, I don't never take the shoes off. Bought the Jeep, tore the motherfucking doors off. Put out that bitch, ride the shit like a skateboard. Navigation on, trying to find my next thrill. Feeling myself, I don't even need an X pill. Can't chill, but my neck will. Haters really gon' be mad off my next deal. I don't know why they worry about my pockets. Meanwhile, had over chillin' in the projects. Had out in Bed-Stuy, chillin' on the steps, drinking quarter waters. Gotta be the best. MJ and Summer Jam, Obama on the text. Y'all should be afraid of what I'm gon' do next. Hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please. I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Let's double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. I'm on to the next one. On to the next.
Hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please.
Mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me. So I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shutting shit down in the mall and telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped the mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I shut this shit down in the mall. It's telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
I used to have hood dreams, big fame, big change. I stuck my dick inside his life until that bitch came and went hard all fall like the ball teams, just so I could make it rain all spring. Y'all seen my story, my glory. I had raped the game young. You can call it statutory when a nigga blow up. They gon' build statues for me. Old money, Benjamin, but nothing. Super bad chicks giving me McLovin'. You would think I ran the world like Michelle's husband. You would think these niggas know me when they really doesn't. Like they was down with the old me, no you fucking wasn't. You such a fucking loser. He ain't even go to class. Bueller. Trade the Grammy plaques just to have my granny back. Remember she had that bad hip like a fanny pack. Chasing the stardom to turn you to a maniac. All the way in Hollywood and I can't even act. They pull their cameras out and goddamn they snap. I used to want this thing forever, y'all can have it back.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I shut this shit down in the mall. It's telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
Okay, hello, it's the Martian, Space Jam Jordans. I want this shit forever, wake up and smell the garden. Fresher than the harvest, step up to the target. If I had one guess, then I guess I'm just New Orleans. And I will never stop, like I'm running from the cops. Hopped up in my car and told my chauffeur to the top. Life is such a fucking roller coaster, then it drops. But what should I scream for? This is my theme park. My mind shine even when my thoughts seem dark. Pistol on my side, you don't wanna hear that thing talk. Let the king talk, check the price and pay attention. Lil Wayne, that's what they gotta say or mention. I'm like Nevada in the middle of the summer. I'm resting in the lead, I need a pillow in the cover. My foot sleeping on the gas. No break dance, no such thing as last.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I shut this shit down in the mall. It's telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
There they go, back in stadiums and shady spits explode. Nuts they go, macadamian they go so ballistic. Whoa, he can make them look like bozos. He's wondering if he should spit this slow. Fuck no, go for broke. His cup just runneth over. Oh no, he ain't had him a buzz like this since the last time that he overdosed. They've been waiting patiently for Pinocchio to poke his nose back into the game, and they know rap will never be the same as before. Passion in the brains of these hoes and establishing a name as he goes. The passion and the flame is ignited. You can't put it out once we light it. This shit is exactly what the fuck that I'm talking about when we riot. You dealing with a few true villains who stand inside of the roots, who's feeling and spit true feelings until our true feelings come flying up out of our mouths, never minded. Payback, motherfucker, for the way that you got at me. How's it taste? When I slap the taste out of your mouth with the bass so loud that it shakes the place. I'm Hannibal Lecter, so just in case you're thinking of saving face, you ain't gonna have no face to say by the time I'm through with this place. So Dre,
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I shut this shit down in the mall. It's telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
or what?
One. Yo, Pain, you ready? Yeah. Man, let's lock and load. Yeah. Just blaze. No, turn me up.
Volleyball tournament. Surfing. Down here. Damn. Pretty much. Like, that's how it is. That's how it is.
What do you see when you looking at me? See me come up from nothing, see me living my dreams. I done been to the bottom, I done suffered a lot. I deserve to be rich, headed straight to the top. Look how I ride for the block, look how I rap for the hood. I get nothing but love now when I come through the hood. Getting this fortune and fame, money make all of us change.
Here we go, here's a wave rolling.
How the hell did you stop me? Why in the world would you try? I go on forever. That's just how I'm designed. That's just how I was built.
Look at all those dudes.
You take all of this from me, and I'm still gonna survive. You get truth from me, but these rappers gon' lie. I'm a part of these streets to the day that I die. I wait out of the haters, man. That I finally done made it. Take a look, and you can tell that I'm destined for greatness. Tell me what do you see when you looking at me?
Here we go. It's a fight for your right here, dude. You stuck in the cell. Picture you wasting your life. Picture you facing the charge. They getting shaved, dude.
Picture you willing to bleed. Picture you wearing the scar. Thank you for making me struggle. Thank you for making me grind. I perfected my hustle. Tell me the world ain't mine. You've been seeing me lately. I'm a miracle, baby. I refuse to lose. This was the ghetto that made me. I put that on my father. Trying to hope for tomorrow. When I think that I can't, I envision Obama. I envision them diamonds. I envision Ferraris. If the world was perfect, all my niggas behind me. Ain't you happy I made it? Man, I'm making a statement. Take a look and you can tell that I'm destined for greatness. Tell me